Yo, what's good, YouTube? It's your boy Up Next. Man, I want to come back with another video. Hey, man, say, man, it's 3 a.m. in the morning. Y'all know what time it is, bro. Y'all know, nigga, y'all might as well say we watch YouTube videos 24/7, nigga. 3 p.m., 3 a.m., this shit do not matter, nigga. We still gonna upload. Alright, y'all. We got Watch It With McQueen. Shout out to him. Without him, this video wouldn't be possible. Make sure that like button, hit the subscribe button, turn on post notifications. Listen, turn on post notifications. Y'all wouldn't want to miss one video. I promise you, y'all wouldn't. Right? Out of everything on YouTube, this is the perfect channel for you. I promise you. You do not have to search YouTube 8 hours of scrolling. No more. Just subscribe to this channel, Up Next Mal, and you can watch everything that you desire. Let's hop straight into it. Let's get it. Let's go. Oh yeah, any bashing of Kaya, cooking with Kaya? This shit kill my brain cells. Y'all know I'll turn this bitch off quick. Don't be bashing cooking with Kaya. We love cooking with Kaya, with Kaya and her little booty. Come on, McQueen.
Cooking with Kaya.
Come on, McQueen. Come on, McQueen. Come on.
Or cooking with Kaya. You know, things like that. Girls even getting mad about the fact that they felt threatened because of cooking with Kaya. She was very, very big, you know? And I was actually starting to wonder, like, where the hell did she go? Because like I said, I was 100% a fan of what she was doing.
She ain't go nowhere.
So many.
Come on, man. Get to the video, dog. Come on.
And yo, clearly not.
Hold on, y'all. My bad. I know. Oh, shit, my bad. I know. Matter of fact, we're gonna do this. What's that? I know.
You know, keeping his stress level as low as they possibly could be and filling him up with life. Okay? You're clearly not doing that, or else you wouldn't feel threatened. Okay? So I loved her. I loved the movement she had going because of that, you know?
From having an intimate video get leaked and having entire group chats plotting...
Oh, she got leaked. Hold on now. Leaked about what?
From having an intimate video get...
Oh, she was getting buzzed down? Damn, that's crazy.
And having entire group chats plotting to physically hurt her...
I heard they making group chats about jumping me.
Really? To the internet completely turning against her, to being completely banned from TikTok.
That is so crazy. I just heard, did y'all just hear that Kaya got banned from TikTok? Whoever.
Banned?
Did I hear that right? Come on, baby. You like 50.
Grandma.
So get it together.
Grandma. Bandit.
Exposed cooking with Kaya. The way your life is about to fall apart.
Cooking with Kaya's right.
The way your life is about to fall apart.
These bitches are stupid.
Now look, I'm all for support of, you know, raging against the people who try to, you know, bring down successful black people when they essentially have done nothing wrong to you. But it's just always funny how, like, women make things so dramatic. The way your life is about to fall apart.
Rise to fame has been anything but ordinary, but what started as viral success has quickly spiraled into something far more disturbing. In this video, we'll dive into how Cooking with Kaya may be experiencing one of the most unsettling downfalls in TikTok history and why it might already be happening.
She's beautiful though, no cap. She's like, that's undeniable. She's fine as hell.
While much of what has happened to Cooking with
She fine.
Kaya is undeniably unfortunate, it's important to recognize that she isn't entirely blameless either. To understand the full picture, we need to look at how she first rose to fame. Cooking with Kaya started out making average TikToks, lip-syncing, dancing, and occasionally talking about being an independent woman, etc. in her TikToks. Her content was nothing extraordinary, but she gained a decent following over time. What really made her go viral was her cooking videos. However, these weren't just basic recipe tutorials. They came with a mix of playful and provocative comments, and of course, twerking, or wiggling as she calls it.
Nah, you be twerking.
No, I don't.
I've seen it.
That's not twerking.
Okay.
It's wiggling, not twerking.
Yeah.
See, that's what you say. That's how you have to handle it with women who just refuse to take accountability. You have to handle it like that. You have to handle women who will refuse to take accountability, women who are committed to continuing the delusion, the delusional reality that they have created in their mind, where there is no accountability, there is no consequences for your actions. They could do no wrong in that world that these women have created. So when women refuse, they're struggling, they're holding by that last little strand. When they're faced with logic, when they're in the face of real logic and reality, oh my God. Just like she displayed in that video, they will go to the edges of their... No, it wasn't twerking, it was wiggling.
And provocative comments, and of course, twerking, or wiggling, as she called.
It was wiggling? I mean, I don't mean to go too off topic here, but it's just like, women will stab your ass, and you be like, oh, you stabbed me. I didn't stab you, I just lodged this knife into your stomach. It's totally different. What? I don't even know why.
I didn't stab you. I just cut you a little bit, and it was a little deep. Bitch, what? Bitch, you stabbed me.
And I'm like, why? Why did God make them like such complex, crazy creatures? Why? I don't get it.
Nah, you be twerking.
No, I don't.
I've seen it.
That's not twerking. Okay. It's wiggling, not twerking.
Yeah.
She would emphasize her cooking skills in a way that suggested she could quote-unquote steal your man, sort of speak.
Wake up and make your man some breakfast before I do.
If you're so confident in yourself, why do you take the time to comment a paragraph in my comment section telling me how I cannot steal your man? You must be a little bit intimidated.
Yeah, and I agree. And I 1,000% agree. Because that video we reacted to of all these women, the fact that there was that many women making videos is crazy. You have to feel intimidated. You have to. Because I swear to God, I wouldn't give a damn. Because I know that I'm contributing and doing everything I'm supposed to be doing as a person who is playing their respective role in a relationship. And in doing so, there's no reason for me to feel intimidated. So the fact that there were so many women was just another obvious testament, if you will. Women have no idea what the hell a man wants, how to keep a man, how to be feminine, how to be nurturing, how to be submissive. They don't know nothing. They don't know they don't have the first clue of how to do that. All right?
Tacitly blending traditional homemaker or trad wife traits with a flirty, attention-grabbing personality. And this approach quickly gained traction. Men found her content entertaining and appealing, while women were, let's just say, frustrated by what they saw as her reinforcing outdated gender roles. Her video sparked debates about femininity, traditional values, and whether she was simply catering to a male audience for views and validation. Kaya's unique angle on cooking content set her apart from the countless other creators on TikTok, launching her into viral fame. But that attention came with a disturbing cost, leading to some of the most shocking events surrounding Cooking with Kaya. As Cooking with Kaya's popularity grew, so did the memes about her stealing girls' men and the criticism that she was reinforcing outdated gender roles. These discussions gained traction and drew more attention, fueling a growing divide. While Kaya still had many supporters, including guys who were crushing on her, the number of haters simply became impossible to ignore. And the hate she received wasn't just casual criticism. It was intense, personal, and transcended online hate. It all started when a group of her most extreme haters allegedly leaked a sex tape claiming to feature her. Whether or not the video was actually her remains up for debate, but that wasn't the point. The fact that people despise an internet personality, a complete stranger that is, to the extent that they would leak something as intimate and damaging as a sex tape is disturbing in itself. What's even worse is that this wasn't just the work of one person. A significant number of people genuinely believed she deserved this invasion of privacy and would have gladly shared the video themselves if given the chance. And unfortunately for Kaya, this was only the beginning. The obsession some of her haters had with tearing her down would soon escalate into something even more alarming, as Cooking with Kaya would also reveal in a long-form video that she's become aware of people making group chats and actually plotting to jump her, as in physically assault her, which is disturbing to say the least.
I heard they're making group chats about jumping me.
You're lying.
They're making group chats. I promise you, to kill me, jump me, all kinds of stuff.
Really?
Really? Yeah, people leaking my address,
Really?
With fame comes both supporters and haters. That's unavoidable, but the level of hatred Kaya faced went far beyond typical online criticism. Some people were so determined to ruin her that they actively tried to cause real harm just because her TikToks were provocative or she said something in her TikToks that they didn't really like. One of the most disturbing tactics these haters used was spreading false rumors about her age, claiming she was only 17 years old. Their goal was to make her male supporters turn against her by framing her as an underage minor. Even though this wasn't true, pushing such a damaging narrative showed just how far these people were willing to go.
Right.
They weren't just critics, they were obsessed weirdos that were trying to actively destroy her reputation by any means necessary. And it didn't stop there.
Why
The
that bitch
harassment
just pop up
escalated
like
to the
that? Look.
point where large groups of people began mass reporting her TikTok account, ultimately leading to her main account with almost 2 million followers being completely banned. While many people were disturbingly obsessed with tearing Kaya down, fortunately her supporters didn't stay silent. They spoke out against the extreme lengths her haters were willing to go just to harm her, highlighting how concerning the situation had become. Many also voiced their frustration over her being banned, calling out the unfairness and hypocrisy of it all. Eventually, Cooking with Kaya would get unbanned, but things didn't go back to normal. Despite getting her account back, she remained shadow banned, meaning her content wasn't reaching as many people as before. Even if
I don't understand though, like why was she? I mean, did I just space out and not really see the reason why she got banned? I understand there was haters,
It was,
but
it was,
like,
it was fake.
it just
It was-
because of
yeah,
the mass reporting of people? Yeah, there it goes right here. So people were just making false claims. This is the thing that comes with like, oh my god, you hating ass Negroes, you miserable ass Negroes, bro. I ain't got an issue with hating ass people. I don't. What I got an issue is with these platforms. Can't tell the difference between the real and the fake. The fake haters and the people who are just, you know what I'm saying, who actually have some real, you know.
Come on, bro. Let's get to the video. Come
on her visibility.
Goddamn.
Even if they searched Cooking with Kaya and would only find fake accounts posting her older TikToks with lower viewership, the impact of the shadow ban is undeniable. It's made it significantly harder for her to grow, and with TikTok's unpredictable algorithm, it's unclear if she'll ever fully recover her reach, and her views are definitely gradually and slowly declining. There were also rumors that Cooking with Kaya had secured her own TV show on VH1, something that would have been a major win and direct counter to the haters who worked so hard to tear her down. If true, it would have solidified her place beyond TikTok, proving that despite the backlash, she was still in high demand. However, as time has passed, there's been little to no information confirming that the show is actually moving forward. No official announcements, no trailers, no
That's some hating ass loser ass stuff, bro. About to have a whole VH1 show.
Come on, bro. God damn.
Is quietly been cancelled. To make a comparison, this is exactly why TikTok fame is nowhere near as stable as YouTube success. The two platforms cultivate completely.
Hello. She on YouTube, right? I think she on YouTube. I think Cooking with Kaya on YouTube. I feel like this whole video is just pointless. I'm not gonna lie. They're talking about her demise, bitch. How's it her demise? She's on fucking YouTube, y'all. She got 10,000 followers, 10,000 subscribers. How the fuck she only got 10,000 subscribers? How the fuck she only got 10,000 subscribers? Fan page discover. Is this really her? She ain't got no YouTube channel? What the fuck? At this point, I don't know what to believe. I'm sorry, I don't know what to believe.
Different types of audience.
100%, and that's why I'm so grateful for y'all, man.
Facts.
Just want to give a moment of gratitude.
YouTube is different,
bro. You know, real talk. As many times I've had to start over, as many times I've had to move from different channels to different channels, as many times as if I've had to switch up the content, y'all have always been here, man.
YouTube is different.
And I'm excited to see that this current channel continues.
Bro, as many times as I done stopped, bro, I done went on 6 month break, 6 month break, 6 month break, and for me to come back and still get views, ain't nothing but God.
World too, man. You know, and don't worry, I'm gonna put in the work. I'm gonna move my weight.
Yeah,
Right.
they gotta
Work
move
is
that
already
weight for
done. It's
sure.
already written. It's already written. Okay, we've done this plenty of times. I just want to say, take a moment. We're gonna finish the video. That I love y'all.
Yeah, finish the video.
Controversy often struggle to maintain relevance in the long term. Even TikTokers who were once extremely popular, like Charlie D'Amelio, have seen their influence fade. In contrast, YouTubers like Corey X Kenshin, who built their audience over years, can take extent.
All right, that dude been on YouTube for how long?
Contrast
20
YouTubers
years.
like Corey X Kenshin, who built
Bro,
20 years,
15
15
their audience
years.
over years.
Bro,
Nigga
that is
been
the
on
most
this bitch for
gangster. That is
15 years,
really
bro.
inspiring. I'm not gonna lie. That's
Oh,
really
God.
inspiring. Good on him, bro. No wonder he's so popping, bro. He deserves it. He deserves it, bro.
15
That's a
years,
lot
bro.
of work put in right there. That's a lifetime right there. Damn, I
It's a
respect
lifetime,
it.
bro.
Can take extended breaks and still pull millions of views when they return. That level of loyalty is something TikTok rarely provides. Cooking with Kaya has tried to transition her audience to YouTube, but like many before her, she's found that TikTok followers don't always translate into engaged long-form content viewers.
Cooking with Kai. You see what I'm saying, bro? Cooking with Kai 64,000. Bro, that look more like it, bro. On God, but it be a shadow band on everything. On game, bro. Cooking with Kaya. This her right here. But bro, when you type in her name, bro, she don't even pop up, bro. She got 9 videos. That's tough.
At the end of the day, TikTok can make you famous overnight, but it can take it all away just as fast. And for Kaya, that harsh reality might already be setting in. Right now,
I
Cooking
don't
with
think so, bro. I don't think so at all. Yes, TikTok, you know, everything he said about TikTok is very true, okay?
Facts.
However, I do think that Kaya's situation is different because her
is.
niche and her thing was very controversial and controversial, more than controversial enough for her to just make a new page, continue to do the same thing because everyone was on TikTok looking up Cooking with Kaya and all there was fake pages. But imagine if she made a new page and she was consistently posting on it, consistently presenting herself like, yes, this is the real Cooking with Kaya. All right. Imagine how fast she would just gain all her followers back. She would get that very, very fast if she really locked in. You know.
undeniably shown more personality and potential than many TikTok creators.
That's what I'm saying. It's not, you know, this is one of them situations. It's not like these goofy ass, you know, dancing TikTokers or just people.
Hey man, shouts out to her, bro. But we all know, bro, she ain't getting married. That ain't no hate, bro. This shit facts. Who the fuck want to marry? I mean, nigga, you definitely want to smash. You definitely want to go with Cooking with Kaya, but nigga, we don't want to marry a Cooking with Kaya. Your booty shaking videos all online. When your kids grow up, they gonna get picked on. Cause your mama ass all online. So it's over. Okay. Next video. Shout out to Cooking with Kaya. We love Cooking with Kaya. Next video.